My name's Kirsty, I'm studying Environmental Science and I'm in my final year. I had a light bulb moment. I was on a second day of a new job. We were sat around a table talking about what our dream job would be, and I thought about mine and I thought about seal conservation, which is really random, but I'm really passionate about the planet and conservation. So that night I left the job, went home, logged on to the internet and saw environmental science. Felt like that would offer me a gateway to pursue a career in conservation. So I'm hoping that it will lead to a career in wildlife and conservation. I'm hoping to do a master's at some point in the future, so I didn't have a lot of financial support from my parents, from my family, and I saw that the Welsh Government were offering sort of financial packages to help with living costs. For the first 2 years studying full-time, I got £4,000, and then for this year, for my final year studying part-time, I've been awarded £3,000. The money that I've been given has massively helped cover my basic living costs, and has enabled me to sort of study without worrying too much about the financial side of life. Without the funding, I wouldn't be where I am, and I feel like the degree has opened up so many doors for me. I'm sort of starting an eco-cleaning company, which I wouldn't have done without the degree. I've been doing ecological surveys, like some conservation work, which again I wouldn't have been able to do without the degree. So I feel like it's really sort of changed my life in a really positive way. A combination of the course and the funding has just allowed me to really improve my quality of life and just makes me really happy.